Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how I prepare this Brazil spinach stir fry. We call it as Ponnakanni because it is very good for the eyes and our nervous system. So here I'll be using this Brazil spinach. This is a variety of Brazil spinach we get in Chennai. It's very easy to clean and easy to wash. I've washed it 4 times, drained it and reserved. We need a lot of garlic and onion which is finely chopped. We need split black gram dal, dried red chilies and mustard seeds. I've heated a wok with oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, I've added mustard seeds, split black gram dal and dried red chilies which is broken in half. I'll add all of this, allow it to splutter and fry well. Once this has fried and the oil has tempered, I've added finely chopped garlic, onion and curry leaves. I'll fry it further. Brazil spinach is very good, friends. If you find this Ponnakanni or Brazil spinach wherever you stay, please prepare it. It's very good for health. I've added some Asafoetida. I'll stir fry this onion till it turns transparent. You don't have to fry it too much. Now I'll be adding the cleaned Brazil spinach. I will allow it to wilt down. First let it fry and wilt down. Don't stir it too much. Once it wilts down, then we'll add salt and tiny amount of water. Cover this and cook it only for the stems to cook and soften. Otherwise the greens is already cooked once it's wilted. Now here you can see I've added salt and tiny amount of water. I'll cover this and cook till the water has evaporated. Once the spinach has fried well, just stir fry it another minute's time and serve this hot with some steam cooked rice, the tamarind gravy that I showed you, which is pulikorumbu, and pumpkin kuttu. It turned out so good. Try this recipe and post your comments, friends. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box below this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.